Here we go. So your worksheet, we're going to do the first one together, but the process is going to be very similar, okay, on how to do it, all right? So for number one, it says, given power of 10 watts and a time of 170 seconds, how much work is done? I want you to look at the board, and I want you to see if you can identify which formula we would use if we're looking for work and we're given power in watts and time in seconds. Do you see it?
Where?
We're looking up on the board. Which formula has power and work and time?
Power.
Power. You might look at that question and say, well, it's got work in it, but the work formula has newtons and meters. Does our question have either of those? No. All right, so we go to that formula and we plug in the information we have. So for number one, again, we're given power, right? In watts, what was the power? 10 watts. This marker is not great. So we're given 10 watts, and that's equal to, we have work in joules over time in seconds, and we're given that, aren't we? What was it again? 170 seconds. Now, what you're looking at is how many joules divided by 170 seconds equals 10. So what divided by 170 equals 10? Or you could just multiply 10 times 170, which you just add a zero, thank you very much. So we end up with 1,700 what? Joules. That's why you plug it right in the formula. Now, how do we double check our work? How do we know for sure? I take 1,700 divided by 170 and it should give me 10. Does it? It does. So that's it. So our answer then, we'd circle it and we'd say, this is the work done. 1,700 joules of work done. Because the question asked how much work is done. Okay? So for the remaining 7 questions, I want you to look, what is that question asking? And what am I given? So you know which formula you will use. Okay? Okay.